Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Philip from Auto Accessories Unlimited. I wanted to showcase our 17 F-150 Raptor that we built the other day. We started off this truck for a customer, dropped it off, said just build us something really cool, and this is what we got.
Send in your skeletons, sing as their bones come marching in again. They need you buried deep, the secrets that you keep are at the ready.
We started off with a PRG 2.5-inch lift on it, and then we added the fuel crush that we had custom powder coated and painted. Sitting on a set of 37-inch Toyo RTs. Stealth Fighter front bumper, Stealth Fighter rear bumper. We've got the chase rack with the tire carrier on it. We custom cut CNC cut panels for the side to represent his college state that he went to, OSU. Shout out to the Pokes. We backlit and everything so it lights up, really cool for him. Then we kicked it to our boy down in Florida at Skeppel Designs. Had him build us a custom wrap for the guy. Did a fantastic job. It's a killer look. It's all vintage looking. The guy just did a really great job. All the lighting on the truck is all done with rigid. Fits in there. We got the radiance up front, the radiance dualies in the rear. We did the 40-inch light bar across the top. Okay, after we did the bumpers, we actually had K40 send us over a fully hidden radar detector that's built into the truck. It's integrated. You don't even see it. It's hard to even show, but it keeps things on tap once you're adding all this performance stuff to it. Keep you safe while you're out there on the streets.